In this video, I'm going to show you how to add assignments to Google Classroom and which one of the various types of assignments might be best suited for a specific set of circumstances. So when you're in Google Classroom, you want to click on the Classwork tab, and then way at the top is this giant blue pill-shaped button called plus Create. You click on it, you have several options for what you want to add. First one is assignment. That would be a generic assignment. If you click on this, it opens up the assignment. You can add a title, instructions, some basic formatting, add content from Drive, upload it from your computer, add a link, add a YouTube video, and if you click on plus, you can add various Google Docs to this assignment. You also have some options. What topic should this assignment be categorized under? When is the due date for this assignment? How many points is this assignment worth? Do you want to create a rubric for this assignment or check for plagiarism? Which classes would you like this assignment to be posted for? Just this class, or are you going to post it to multiple classes? Or are you just going to post it to a certain group of students? All right, so this is your most generic type of assignment that you can create on Google Classroom. You have a lot of different options for this, but maybe that isn't quite what you're looking for. All right, so if you go back and you click on Quiz Assignment, notice what happens. You get virtually the exact same setup, only now it automatically attaches a blank Google quiz using Google Forms. So if you want to give a quiz assignment, right, you can basically attach a pre-made form, and when you're ready to, you can click on the link, and then you can create your little quiz, and then this will be the quiz that students see once that assignment is posted. You have some options for this. You can have it set to lock mode on Chromebooks when they take this quiz. You can import the grades directly into Google Classroom if you keep grades on Classroom. So maybe that would be one of the things you'd be trying to post. Or if you just want to have like a small group discussion, maybe it's an e-learning day and one of the things you want your class to do is discuss something that they did during the e-learning day material. You can post a question, students can respond to each other. So maybe that's what you're looking for. All right, so if you click on question, you can ask the question. It basically takes the place of the title. You can determine what kind of question it is. Is it a short answer or multiple choice? And then you can give specific instructions, respond once to the question and then reply twice to two of your classmates or something like that. All right? Or you can post a material. Material is something that you'd probably want to post if it's something you're going to be referring to quite a bit. This could be websites that you're going to use very often in class, a document that you use very often in class. High school teachers might post a syllabus under as a material, things like that. And then one of the really neat features is the option to reuse a post. If your Google Classroom posts look very similar in structure, you probably don't want to keep retyping that every time you create a new assignment. So if you click on Reuse Post, what you'll be able to do is go back into this class or a different class and grab one of the posts from that class. Now this could be a real time saver if you teach multiple sections of the same course. You create the assignment in one of the courses, and then you go through this in the other sections and you just reuse that post. Maybe you change the date a little bit and when the due date is and things like that, but other than that, the content will all get imported with the reuse of the post. Or if you want to keep track of the material in terms of units and topics, you can create a new topic as well. All right, so that's how you can create and post assignments in Google Classroom.